skipping your chai breaks just to create subjective questions that are truly fair to your students. We understand it's tricky and time-consuming when there's no clear process. But what if I told you you don't have to do it all by yourself anymore? Extra Intelligence can do it for you. It's one-of-a-kind objective to subjective feature that instantly converts objective questions into meaningful subjective ones. All you have to do is just log into www.extramarks.com or the Extramarks teaching app. Head over to Assessments and tap Create Assessment. Select Online Test. Enter test name and time. Now choose your question mode, manual or automated. Add a few details, whatever you need. Got objective questions? Hit Convert to Subjective, and there you have it, ready to use subjective questions in a click. That's Extra Intelligence, converting objective questions to subjective, saving your time, energy, and yes, your chai breaks too.